English learning. Dive into hypothetical rhetorical questions. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our series on asking and answering questions. Today, we're focusing on an intriguing part of rhetorical questions, which are hypothetical situations. This topic might sound a bit complex, but it's actually a very common and exciting part of our everyday English conversation. Let's do a quick refresher. Rhetorical questions are questions that we ask not to get an answer, but to make a point, to emphasize something, or to get someone to think about a certain topic. For example, who doesn't love a good movie? Here, we're not really expecting an answer, but emphasizing the point that everyone loves a good movie. Moving forward, let's dive into hypothetical rhetorical questions. These are rhetorical questions that involve imagined or hypothetical scenarios. They're used to explore ideas, encourage deeper thinking, or emphasize a point. An example could be, what would you do if you won the lottery? In this case, the speaker doesn't expect a real answer, but uses the question to trigger thought about a hypothetical situation. Hypothetical rhetorical questions can be powerful tools in both formal and informal English. They can make conversations more engaging and even make your arguments more compelling in a debate or a speech. Let's look at a few more examples. What if we could live on Mars? How would the world change if there was no internet? Notice that these questions begin with words like, what if, and how would. These phrases often signal that a hypothetical question is being asked. It's important to know that responses to hypothetical rhetorical questions are usually not straightforward answers, but rather continued thoughts, ideas, or discussions. For instance, in response to, what if we could live on Mars? Someone might say, that's an interesting thought. We might need to think about creating a breathable environment and stable food sources. Well, that wraps up our exploration of hypothetical rhetorical questions. Remember, these are fantastic tools for encouraging deeper thinking, making a strong point, or simply making a conversation more interesting. Practice using these in your daily conversations and you'll notice the difference. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy English learning!